Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a Hyundai Santa Fe. It will be the same from 06 until 2012, early 12. So you need to open the hood if you have a dead battery. And it is located right here on the driver's side. You need to press here, open the positive terminal, and the 10mm socket, just get it loose, and the negative as well, both of them. And now you need to grab it. It's good to clean it or wear gloves before you do that, because it might have acid on the battery and burn your skin. Okay, and just pull that one out as well. Next you need a 12mm socket, long extension, and you need to remove that bolt right there. This is the bolt that holds the bracket, and this bracket puts pressure on the battery so it doesn't move when you accelerate, stop, or take sharp turns. Okay, and now you can just go ahead and proceed by pulling it out of the vehicle. Okay, right there. Next you need to grab the new battery and install it in the vehicle. Okay, just like that. Okay, now all you need to do is just put the positive terminal with positive, negative with negative. On that Santa Fe you can actually put, as you can see, this battery, the negative is here instead of here and the positive is here instead of here. So you can buy whatever battery is here if it has the same power, the same crank power. And next you just need to install the bracket. This one is the tricky part. You just need to make sure that you get it there, you put the bracket and the bolt, and you just get it tight. It's a little bit of a tight spot there. If you have smaller hands it works better, but as you can see, you can get it started and just... okay. Next, it's very good if you use the spray battery corrosive preventative, so that way it doesn't corrode and you will not be stuck somewhere because your vehicle won't be just starting. Okay, that's pretty good stuff, and just install the cap, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.